friends, welcome back to SMR Masti. Today we will see how to draw a oval. Okay, so I'm using the cat sprite itself to draw the oval, but I'm reducing the size of the cat sprite. Okay, done. So I need a pen block, so I'm adding pen extension. Now I'm taking the pen down to draw the oval. After this, I am using go to statement. Okay, the go to block. So I need to define values for this x and y. So I am using two variables. One is x variable and y variable. So I am creating those variables using variables block. So in this, make a variable. So I am creating variable with the name x, and I am creating another variable with the name y. Now, so I'm using these variables here in the go to block. Now, so I'm going to set these x and y variables. So I need this set variable block. Okay, and I'm selecting x here. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using the operators block to define the x value, so that I am taking this sign block, sign off block. Okay, and I'm taking multiplication block also. What I'm doing is I am using the timer block from sensing. So the value of timer I am multiplying with 100. This value I am giving it for the sign block, and this value I am keeping it in the multiplication block again. At the end I am multiplying with 100. Okay. So I need the same again for y value, so I am duplicating it. Okay, so I'm keeping this in set x value, and I need one more set block for the y value. So I'm taking another set block, selecting y here. There is a small change. For the y block, I am using the cos function, and the multiplication value is 50. I'll show you why I have taken it 50 once we are done with the oval. So now we can see we have taken two variables and we have used the go to statement. Let's see. So let me do one more thing. It is coming in random shape. So let's see what to do here. Okay. What I'm doing is I missed the reset timer. Okay. So I am adding the reset timer here. And this one I defined only once. We need a repeat block here because we want to draw the oval. So I am adding the repeat block. And let's see what will happen now. There are so much of earlier drawing, so I am using the erase block. So I'm taking erase all and keeping it in the beginning. We can see there is an extra line coming up and at the same time the vowel is not full. So let's increase the repeat and see what will happen. Yeah, the vowel is done, but I can see an extra line here. For that, as you have already seen in our other videos, we have used pen up block. And one small change I'm doing, I'm keeping this pen down after go to, the first go to. Okay. Now you can see our vowel is ready. So I can just add the events block. And so whenever I click on the flag, the vowel is ready. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.